Lesson 2. Entering controlled access highways. Any plans for driving on any controlled access highway should include a travel plan. When planning a short trip, know the name, route, or number for both the entrance and exits you will use. For long distance trips, plan stops for food, fuel, and rest. Explain what actions you should take on the entrance ramps and acceleration lane and the merge area. Control access entrance. Before you enter any highway, make sure you are using the correct entrance ramp. There are three parts of a controlled exit entrance. The exit entrance provides access to the highway and the opportunity to search for merged areas. If you do an anticipated search, you will be able to predict between which vehicle you should merge. You can then accelerate so that you will be at the same speed as the traffic flow when your merge area is next to you. The acceleration lane provides any area where you can speed up in order to match the speed of the traffic flow you're entering. The merge area is a space in a travel lane of the highway that is parallel to the acceleration lane, which you will be joining the traffic flow. Objective. Describe 4 possible entrance problems. Entrance problems. Short entrance ramps, short acceleration lane, and high dividing walls contribute to entrance problems. The entrance ramp. If you enter the wrong entrance ramp, continue into the highway and drive to the next exit. Never back up on an entrance ramp or on a freeway. When other vehicles are on the entrance ramp, adjust your speed to establish 3 or more second space. Begin looking immediately for a gap or hole in traffic. The more space you have from the vehicle in front of you, the better opportunity you will have to accelerate into a safe merge area. When the entrance ramp and acceleration lanes are short, it can be difficult to time entry into a merged area. When you are on the entrance ramp, check the outside mirror and look to the left for a merged area. Some entrance ramps have high walls blocking traffic, which make it difficult to see the gaps in time to accelerate to a proper speed. The number of deaths as a result of drivers who mistakenly enter an exit ramp is shown in the graph below. Where there is no acceleration lane, find a hole in traffic, an empty space between traffic clusters, for a point of entry. This will give you enough space to get into the highway from a stop position without causing another car to brake. Some entry ramps have a ramp meter, which is a set of traffic signals, red and green usually only. To control traffic flow onto the highway. At a ramp meter, you must wait for a green light before entering the highway. Even with the green light, you are still responsible for performing a safe merger. Acceleration lane. If acceleration lanes are short, slow down to provide the best opportunity to merge. Do not slow or come to a stop while on an acceleration lane because it will create a dangerous situation. If you must stop to enter a highway, flash your brakes lights to warn drivers behind you. Reduce your speed gradually so that you'll be able to accelerate when you get a gap. If you run out of room, you are in an emergency situation. Wait for a large, safe gap or hole. Signal and accelerate quickly while staying in the lane position 3. Never stop in a travel lane on a highway. Objective: explain the importance of a proper speed selection while on an entrance ramp. Merge problems. Adjusting your speed is crucial to timing a smooth entrance into traffic. Any obstacle could cause you to slow down and select a new gap. Left entrance ramp. Entrance ramps that are on the left of the highway create a high-risk situation. Checking fast-moving vehicles over your right shoulder is difficult. Use your right outside mirror before making a blind spot check. You might have difficulty seeing a motorist or a very small car. Signal early as you look for gap. When you see a gap, accelerate and merge into the traffic lane. In a left entrance ramp, the acceleration lane merges into the far left of traffic. Since this lane is usually used for high-speed traffic, the potential of conflict is greater there than in the right. Steps for entering. Before you begin entering a highway, make sure the entrance is the one you want, and that is, there are no red and white, wrong way, or do not enter signs. Once you're in the entrance ramp, check for traffic. After you're in the acceleration lane, accelerate and select the gap of hole. When your vehicle is positioned, signal and make a quick glance to find a gap in traffic. Decide between which vehicle you are entering. In the merged area, adjust your speed to match the traffic flow. Once in the highway, cancel your signal and adjust to a speed of traffic. Position your vehicle with 3 or more seconds following distance. Describe the actions that help you merge smoothly while in the acceleration zone. Describe a situation on an entrance ramp that might prevent you from safely merging.